Hey guys, so this is a couple days after the blizzard, and you can see a lot of the snow is gone. We still have quite a bit. There's still some snowbanks there. You can see behind Hufflepuff, but like where he plowed, it's already back down to ice and bare ground. So we got rain on Monday, and the temperatures have been warm, so everything's been melting. But I really wanted to show you what happened during the blizzard. Our power went out for several hours in the middle of the night, and when it goes out, he has to turn a generator on to the wood boiler here, or the lines underneath will burst. And guess what happened? It went out in the middle of the night, and we didn't know. And the lines burst underneath. The water lines that run the hot water, circulates it back and forth to the house, keep it heated, they burst. So he had to dig all of this up. You can see where he's dug all the way. He figured it was maybe near the wood boiler, because someone had told him that when they burst, they always burst near the wood boiler, so he thought, oh, it shouldn't be too bad. Nope. All the way to here. And that's where he finally found the burst line. Just a few feet from the house. So he had to dig all that up, replace the line, and we're back online again with the wood boiler heat. We do have oil backup. We just hate to burn the oil because it's expensive. So we just use the oil in the summer just for hot water, and although we'd like to find something else to do for hot water in the summer. But anyway, so that was the only incident. Other than that, everything went well. You know, everyone survived. Nothing major. There's my herd. Saying, when are you gonna throw us some food? Come on. Alright guys, it's a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.